Hi, my name is SupravatRath, and this is my Unit 2 dashboard presentation as part of Data625 Data Visualization. As an overview, we know elections in United States vary significantly across regions and states, especially in terms of party outcomes and population distribution. This dashboard analyzes the 2020 presidential election by looking at results across regions, geographic pattern, and population size. The goal is to better understand how voting outcomes differ across the counties, states, and how population influences the election results. There are three visualization. The first visualization is a bar chart that shows the election results by region broken down by Democratic and Republican votes. We can see that the South has the highest total population and a strong Republican presence, while regions like North, East, and West has more Democratic presence. The key takeaway here is that the regional differences play a major role in election outcome, with certain regions consistently favoring one party over the other. Moving to the second visualization, this is a map that shows the number of counties across different states. A darker area represents states with more counties. We can see that the states like Texas has more number of counties. The takeaway from here is that the geographic distribution varies widely, which can impact how election results are represented and analyzed across states. The third visualization is a tree map showing population by state. Larger blocks represent states with higher population, such as California, Texas, and Florida. This highlights that a few states make up a large portion of the total population, which is important because population size strongly influences election outcomes and voting. The next one is my dashboard, the first dashboard in the presentation mode. And if you see, like, all three of them is represented over here. But if you see here, this is a static visualization. If I want to filter based on, let's say, just one particular state, if you see, like, the other two are not updated dynamically. And to address that, this portion, I have put a filter over here in the presentation mode. And if you see, like, if I click on just one particular west region, everything is dynamically updated. You see, when I see selected south, and now if I move to northeast, all three visualizations are dynamically updated, and that is also true for other two visualization. For example, if I click on, let's say, just Illinois, everything is updated dynamically. So this is part of the filter, which has been kind of I'm sharing over here. And moving to a concept called hide and show visualization. This is something I want to show here in my third visualization. If you see, there is an X mark over here, and if I click on that, the visualization of the tree map is gone. And if I want it to pop up again, I just click on that. So this is something selectively, if you want to take out one particular visualization, we are using that particular features within Tableau. Now, the last one which I wanted to show you is something called the swap features, and this is where, if you see, I have a drop down. If I want to just click on one particular drop down which is show map, it is only going to show the map. And if I want to go back to bar chart, this is something also kind of I wanted to show. So this is called seat swapping, which is something reflected over here. Now, as a wrap up, overall this dashboard shows that the The election outcomes are heavily influenced by both geographic and population. Certain region consistently favor specific parties, and small number of highly populated states play a major role in shaping the results. Understanding these patterns help provide deeper insight into how elections are structured across the states and counties as well. And just want to thank you all for your participation in terms of listening, and I really appreciate the feedback and support that I have received so far. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of your day.